Today our topic is center of mass. You are watching M.Shakeel. If you are new in our channel, then please subscribe our channel. Does the system still move without rotation if the force acts elsewhere on it? Do you the answer of question? If you not know, you can keep watching this video. You will be able to answer this question after watching this video. No, the system do not move without location if the force acts elsewhere on it. We can define center of mass as center of mass of a system as such a point where an applied force causes the system to move without rotation. If a force is applied on center of mass, the system will move without rotation. If the force applied away from center of mass, the system move as well as rotate. In this picture you can see that if force is applied away from center of mass, the system will move as well as rotate.